Okay, so in the last class, we are discussed about the basic terminologies of SAP EWM. So yesterday we are discussed what is warehouse request, what is warehouse task, warehouse order, and other terminologies like activity area, warehouse process type. Okay, so these things we are discussed. Even we are discussed about the organization structure of SAP EWM, your warehouse number, storage type, storage section, storage bin. So these things we are discussed. Okay, so since we cannot execute our warehouse operations like inbound, outbound, midbound individually, we have to have the other organization elements also like company, company code, plant, store location, purchase organization, sales organization. These are the elements we require to execute our warehouse operation. So I'm going to show today how to define this company, company code and plants. So as we have discussed yesterday, so MMGC, Mahindra and Mahindra group of companies, which is having Mahindra and Mahindra Private Limited for the manufacturing of the four-wheelers. Okay, so that example I'm going to take. So let me share my screen. Yeah, can you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, you can see.
Yes.
Thank you. So let me show you once again how to log on to remote desktop. So put like, run app, MSTSC. So we are going to send one document also how to log on to the remote logon server. Click on OK. Input your IP, ID and password. Logged into remote desktop. So this is my logon pad. Okay. So first I'm going to define the company. So define company. So in real time, the company code will be defined by the FSCO consultant. So if somebody asks you, like, what are the things you have done in SAP EWM as a configuration, you should not say, I define a company and company code, I define that. These are the things done by the FSCO consultant. Company code defining and assignment can be done by the FSCO consultant. Okay, so define company, go to the system. So how to log on to the system? Go to logon pad, click on this server, input your ID and password. Enter. Okay, so first of all, you have to input SPRO. SPRO means SAP project reference. For any configurations in the command prompt, you have to input SPRO. SPRO means SAP project reference object. SAP project reference, define company. So SPRO enter, then you have to enter SAP reference IMG. IMG means implementation guide. Implementation guide. So click on this reference IMG. Then go to enterprise structure. So this path document I'm going to share. No need to worry. Just to follow through this class actually. Go to enterprise structure. Go to definition. Go to financial accounting. Define company. Click on new entries. So company name MMGC, Mahindra and Mahindra Group of Companies. Mahindra and Mahindra Group of Companies. Instead, I'm going to take Mahindra and Mahindra Group of Company headquarters in Pune. Okay. So I'm going to take like in a Chakan, post box number, postal code, city, Pune, country. Country code we can take from the drop down here. Okay. So if you take the drop down, you will get all country codes. Okay. For India, we have a country code called IN. Okay. IN India. Then language. So in which language do you want to see the whole entries in the system of SAP? I want to see in English. So like you have Arabic, German, Greek, Spanish, Finnish, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian. Okay, like that, plenty of the languages are available. So this is the beauty of SAP. So I'll go with English EN. Currency. Currency also you can select. In India, what currency we are using? INR, Indian rupees. Okay, so like QOT dinar, okay, Australian dollar, okay, like that we have plenty of the currencies as well. So whatever the country you are doing the implementation part, that currency you can select. So INR, Indian rupees. Enter. So somebody already created with this name, MNGC. Okay, let me go with MNGC. MNGC is my company. Save it.
Is there any number range of the postal code or
This is like, it's a
this is
open text. PO
okay?
box postal code is open text. Okay, just
Open text. Okay, we
randomly
can
are
give any
taken.
number.
Yeah, randomly are taken, but you can input what exactly the postal code. Okay, I don't know the Pune's postal code. Randomly open text I given here.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
next. So after defining a company, I'm going to define the company code. So what do you mean by company and company code? Within one company, I may have multiple company codes. Example, yesterday we had taken example of Tata. Okay. So let's take, Mahindra itself. Mahindra is having automobile business. They're having Tech Mahindra software. Okay. Mahindra Finance, Mahindra Hotels, Mahindra Holidays. Okay. Like that. They're into multiple businesses. Each business entity we are going to define as a company code. Okay. So I'm going to take Mahindra and Mahindra Automotives. Okay. Who are going to manufacture the four-wheelers, three-wheelers. So define company code. So just I've taken like, not MM. Since somebody already used MM, I'm taking like MN. Okay. Just assume like this Mahindra and Mahindra. MNPL. With this name, I'm going to create. So edit, copy, delete, check company code, execute. So edit company code data here. Click on new entries. Company code MNPL. This is M&M Automotive. Private Limited. Not private limited, just assume private limited. City again Pune. Country IN India. Currency INR. Language EN English. Enter, and you have an address button. For each company code, you have to input the address. So click on the address button. So like company MNPL. So if you want to give like full description, that also absolutely fine. So street Chakan, postal code city Pune, country IN, region means it's your state. So Pune in what state? Maharashtra. So you have to select Maharashtra. So 13. Language English. Click on copy and save it. So while you are saving, system will prompt you to enter the address detail again, and it is going to save it in a TR. What do you mean by TR?
Transport request.
Yeah, transport request. So whenever you get the requirement from the customer, that all you are going to map it in a SAP system and you are going to save it in a TR. Okay, so these TRs can be moved from development to quality, quality to production. Okay, so no need to manually transfer. So everything is going to save it in a TR. That TR you are going to move. So I want to create my own TR. To happen that, click on create request. So assume like this is like MN EW warehouse. I'm going to use this for batch 128 practice. So now onwards, I'm going to save in this TR. Save it. So this is my TR number. S4HK903259. So MNPL, my company code is ready. MNPL. So after defining a company code, we had to copy from the standard. Why we had to copy? Whatever the backend general ledgers are there, that going to copy to our company code. Whatever the plans assigned to it, whatever the valuation areas, the backend, all tables information will be copied. Why we have to copy? Because creating again will be very cumbersome process. The thumb rule you have to copy. If something is not related to our business, we can delete. That's absolutely fine. So you have to copy. So copy from standard company code. So generally standard company code is 1000. So since everybody is working on this 1000, they're changing the configs. So that's the reason I given you RT01, RT02, RT03 company codes. Okay. So you can copy from any of the company. So go back, click on copy, delete, check a company code. I'm going to copy. How to copy? Click on copy object from company code. So here, if you see, you can copy from RTR1, RTR0, any of the company code is absolutely fine. Okay. So let me take RTR1. Okay, let me copy from RTR. So you can copy from any of these company code. For practice purpose only, we have created this. Okay. But in real time, you have to copy from 1000. Okay, so from RTR1, I'm going to copy to my company code MNPL. Do you want the organization complete object? I'll see for everything I'm going to say yes. Only number ranges, I'll say no. Do you want to copy GL account company code? I'll say yes. 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 Everything I'm going to say yes. Only number ranges, no. So currency is INR. Enter. Do you really want to transport number ranges? See, I want to create my own number ranges. So I will say no. For number ranges, no. For everything, I'm going to say yes. So if you say yes, my system is copying whole data from RT R1 to your company code MNPL.
I have one quick question, Javed.
Yeah, this is Rohila. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. While creating the company code, you choose the Indian currency, right?
Hmm.
So, for example, I'm using the US dollars.
Hmm.
Then you can say it no, right?
Yeah,
Currency.
currency, just I'm going to select USD.
No,
Okay,
it's a copying from the uh, standard one is, can I choose the standard
Mm,
1000 or RT or
that's
those?
what.
Which one
Even
should I choose?
even if
Mm.
you select 1000, you
Mm-hmm.
want to have your separate currencies. If you click that, system will
Mm-hmm.
prompt to which currency you want to take. So in that, just now I have input INR, right? So you can input USD.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Same thing you have to follow. You have to input instead of INR, you have to input USD. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of 1000, I can take it in RT one
Hmm.
also.
Hmm.
Okay. Got it.
Hi,
So
Vola.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, quick question. Company, can I put INR and company code USD?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, it has to
Okay.
be the same.
Okay. Now one more point, interesting point here. So your group of company may have in India, and your company codes can be uh, in US, Europe, and other countries. So in that case, yes. So your company may have INR, but your company code can have different currencies. But that conversions needs to be converted in the SAP system. Okay. But most of the companies, what they do, they go with the USDs actually. So valuation with the USDs. But if they want to maintain, especially like INR for Indian country, so in the company code they can go with INR, but the currency conversions should be there in the company code level. Okay, both
Okay.
cases, like
Okay.
I can say possible to have two different currencies with company and company.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So first time it will take some time because system is copying all the backend tables to my company code.
So Rohila, Harshna this side. So we need to do conversion anywhere manually.
No,
How it is?
we have configurations from the FSCO side. So FSCO consultant will take care of.
Okay.
Okay. From the EWM side, we need to take care of the value of the products. We concerned about the quantity of the products. Okay. Again, number ranges also no. So from RTR1 with few errors, it is got copied. Okay. So copying of the company code to my company code is completed. Then after defining a company and company code, next I'm going to define plant, store location, purchase organization. So in real time, MM consultant is going to define this plants. Okay, define plants. So I'm going to define, as I said, a Hyderabad plant, Pune plant, and Bangalore plant. So close is financial accounting, go to logistic general, go to define plant. Okay, click on new entries, plant MN HP. So M&M HYD plant. Factory calendar, I'm going to maintain IN. Go to the address tab, MNHP, MNHP. So this is Hyderabad plant. So let me take Balanagar, postal code 505002, city Hyderabad, country IN, or region. So it's in Telangana. TG is a state. Okay, English, enter, save it. So system is going to prompt you to check the address. I'll say yes. So this is saving in a 128 batch TR. Okay, done. One more entry, MNB PP, that is M&M Pune plant. Enter. Go to address tab, company, MNPP, MNPP. So Chakan, city Pune, country IN, region 13. 13 is your Maharashtra. English, okay, save it. So Pune plant also ready. The next last one is MNBP, that is Bangalore plant. Bangalore plant. Go to address details. MNBP. MNBP. So Central Silk Board. Silk Board. City Bangalore. Country IN. Region 10. 10 is your Karnataka. Language, enter, save it. Okay, so my 3 plants definition is completed. So I defined 3 plants. MNBP, MNHP, MNPP. Pune plant, Hyderabad plant, Bangalore plant. Now I'm going to copy this plant from the standard plants. Copy from standard. So the standard plant again 1000 in real time, but you can copy from RTR0, RTR1, RTR2 for your practice purpose. Anyone is absolutely fine. Okay, let me copy, delete, check plant. So I'm going to copy from RTR1. to MN, HP, BP, PP. Do you want the organization complete object to copy? I'll say yes. See, for everything you have to say yes, but number ranges I'm going to say no. Number ranges no. Okay. So we are copied from RTR1 to MNHP plant. The same way, I'm going to copy from again RTR1 to MNBP. Okay, till now I copied to MNHP, MNBP two plants, then finally last plant. So again RTR1 to MNPP Pune plant. So first time it will take some time to copy all the table level data. So after that, we won't get this buffer. Okay. So once you have done this copying of the plant from a standard plant, then we'll go for the maintain storage locations. The next element is maintain storage locations. So I'm going to maintain 4 storage location in each plant. ROD means receive on dock. So I'll discuss later what exactly this ROD, AFS and other storage locations. AFS means available for sale. Then CONS means consumables. Then PROD, production. This 4 storage location I'm going to maintain in each plant. So how to do that? Close this logistic general, go to in the definition, go to materials management, maintain storage location. So in which plant do you want to create this storage location? MNPP, Pune plant. So already we have AFS, PROD, ROD. So how did I get this? I didn't create this, but how did I get this? Since I
From plant
copied
copy.
from the RTR1 standard plant. So whenever you copy the plant, whatever the storage location assigned to that particular plant, that is going to copy to your plant. So these plants are copied from RTR1 to my MNPP. Here AFS, ROD, PROD is there, but one more I want, that is CONS. So to add that, click on new entries, CONS, that is consumables. Enter, save it. So if you come back and see, I have now 4 storage locations.
Rahula, I have a doubt. Yesterday you said that FG is also finished goods also. Like, we'll be adding that also.
Yeah, required we can add. So as of now, not
Okay.
required. I will go with the ROD and AFS as of now. Okay. So MNPP, after that, MNBP, Bangalore plant. So here also 3. Let me add one more. CONS consumables. Enter. Save it. So the 4th storage location. Then come back. Sorry. Yeah, MNBP, MNPP is completed. MNHP, Hyderabad plant. Click on new entries. This is CONS consumables. Okay, after maintaining a storage location, the next element is maintain purchase organization. So through purchase organization, we are going to purchase the material to the plant and storage locations. So once you save this, come back, maintain purchasing organization. Click on new entries. So I'll go with MNPO, that is M&M purchase organization. Enter, save it. MNPO. Okay, so next, sales related. So SD consultant is going to configure this. So because I need to sell this material to customer, so to sell, we have to have the sales organization, distribution channel, division. So we have to define that as well. So in real time, SD consultant is going to define this in the system. So define sales organization. So with MNSO name, I'm going to create. So to create the sales organization, you have to go to sales and distribution node. Within the definition, define, copy, delete, check sales organization. Define sales organization. Click on new entries. So with name MNSO, I'm going to create. So M&M sales arc. So no need to give any information here. Statistic, currency, plans, or location, purchase organization. Simply click on address button. So MNSO street. Let me take. So I'm going to consider my headquarters in Pune. So Chakan I will take. 5,18,000 city Pune, country IN, region 13, that is Maharashtra. English is the language. Enter, save it. So my sales organization MNSO is ready. I'm going to copy from standard. Okay, why we have to copy the sales organization also? Because whatever the standard distribution channel, divisions, backend, all sales related things will be copied to my sales organization. So copy from standard. So the standard is again in real time 1000. As of now, you can go with RTR0, RTR1, RTR2, RTR3, or RTR. So mainly to the company code you have to copy, plant you have to copy, sales organization you have to copy. Okay, so these are the three elements you have to copy from the standard. Remaining not required. So let me copy this. Once you save this, come back, copy, delete, check sales organization. So click on copy from sales organization RTR1. I'm going to copy to MNSO. Number end is no, remaining are yes. So this is one-time activity. Okay. So your definition of your sales organization, plant, company code, a respective consultant are going to do this. So our part is still not started. Okay. So whatever the activities currently we are doing, that is belongs to all other modules. So copying of the sales organization is completed. Next, define distribution channel. What do you mean by distribution channel? How we are going to distribute or ship the material to the customer. So example, wholesaler.
Vegetable region.
Yeah, that could be one of the reason also. Like dealer, distributor, wholesaler, retailer. So these are the types of distribution channels here. Okay. So I'm going to take only the standard distribution channel. So I don't want to create the customized one. So define, copy, delete, check distribution channel. Define distribution channel. We already have one standard distribution channel in our system. So that is what I'm going to take. 01 I'm going to take. Next, after this, pay attention. Our EWM consult is going to define the WM warehouse number also, ERP warehouse number. Next one is define warehouse number. See, to execute your EWM operations, you have to define two warehouse numbers. One is the ERP warehouse number that we consider as a WM warehouse. The other one is EWM warehouse. These two I'm going to link. So this is the design given by SAP. So when SAP started the EWM module, so to map the store location of S4, they are mapped to the WM warehouse. So this is a standard design given by SAP. So you have to create two warehouses. One is WM warehouse number, second one is EWM warehouse. These two I'm going to link. So define ERP warehouse number. Yeah.
What about division?
Division in assignments we'll see. So not in definition, in assignments we have this division. Can you able to see assign division to
Yeah,
sales
yeah.
organization? Okay. So it is not
Okay.
in definition.
Rohila, can you please repeat again about WM warehouse and EWM warehouse?
Yeah. Okay. Let me show you one diagram so that you can clearly understand. Okay. So in year 2002, SAP stopped WM R&D because they want to bring a robust warehouse management solution to the market. So after 3 years of R&D in 2005, they came up with a EWM solution in the market within a different server, not in the same server, with a different server called SCM Suite. So currently we are having S4 HANA decentralized, centralized, but in those days, like, we had SCM Suite 9.0, 9.2, 9.4, 9.5 like that. Okay. So the ECC was a different box. ECC is a different box, different server, and SCM Suite was a different server. So this is a ECC server and this is a SCM Suite server. So in SCM Suite, not only EWM, we had like APO, TM, other modules as well. So let's take EWM. So this EWM warehouse do not have any storage locations plants in the SCM Suite. To map to the plant and storage location of ECC, we had to create a WM warehouse number. So this WM warehouse number will be linked to your EWM warehouse number. So the linkage is there. So SAP has given such type of design because this is a completely different server. So the same thing is continuing in the S4 HANA embedded as well. So mandatorily you have to create a WM warehouse number, EWM warehouse number, then you have to assign this to. So how we are going to differentiate WM and EWM?
To connect the ERP server to EWM HANA Suite server.
Yes. So this is 3 digits and this is like 4 digits. Okay. So to connect the SCM Suite to ECC. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to define ERP warehouse number. So path is within the definition, go to logistic execution, define warehouse number. Click on new entries, warehouse number, MNW. With this name I'll create. Okay, this is ERP, you can say, or WM. ERP warehouse number. Mahindra and Mahindra. Save it. So MNW I created. Then finally, define shipping point.
Rohila, one question. Here for ERP EWM, no need to copy all the things.
No, because I'm going to use EWM, right? So no need to copy. Okay.
What is the difference between a logistic general and logistic execution?
So last execution, like, it is going to integrate your transportation, your TR and LE both. Okay. It is going to integrate to warehouse. It can be integrated to your transportation. But logistic general is completely belongs to your MM, materials
Oh.
management.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So define shipping point. So from where you are going to ship the material. Okay. So within the last execution, here define shipping point. So click on new entries. So I'm going to create a shipping point with MNSP, M&M shipping point. So factory calendar, let me take IN. Address details, MNSP, MNSP. So, sorry, region is 10, 13 Maharashtra. Yeah. So Pune, postal code, country, region, language, and save it.
Rohela,
shipping
this will be
points.
done by EWM consultant, right?
Shipping point SD consultant will take care of. Okay.
Mhm.
So the EWM consultant will take care of the WM warehouse configuration. So here, let me write down. This is EWM consultant. Okay. So as of now, just had defined this. Did I say this company code is under this company? No. Did I say these plants are belong to this company code? No. Did I say these plants are belongs to this uh, purchase organization? No. So these assignments we have to do. Okay. So in tomorrow's class, tomorrow we don't have class. Tomorrow will be holiday due to Mahashivratri. So day after tomorrow, I'm going to show how to assign these elements. Okay, plan to company code to company, purchase organization to plants. Okay, and I'm going to show the EWM organization structure as well. So we haven't started EWM organization structure till now. Okay, that also I'm going to show. Yeah, any questions, guys?
Hey, can we get the system access today, please?
Yeah, definitely. Just clear your fees and get the server access. I'll tell Madhuri to give the server access. Please practice in the server. Okay, you cannot learn the driving by just seeing only videos. You have to shift the pedals. Okay, then only you can learn the driving. The same way, you have to practice. You have to make your fingers dirty. Then only you can learn the EWM. Okay, don't just follow the videos. You follow the video, write down your own notes, and practice the steps. If you have any doubt, contact our lab admins. Today we are going to give their lab admins names, numbers as well. You can contact them on WhatsApp. So they'll guide you how to resolve your issues if you get any. Okay. Yeah, Divya.
Yes, sir. So actually, this is a remote desktop server, right?
Yes.
Can we get a logon pad server
No.
as well?
No. So it's S4 Anna. Do you have 400 GB RAM? Then you can in your laptop.
400 GB RAM. Okay. So if like how much space is required for that, sir?
Yeah. First of all, do you have RAM? 400 GB RAM?
I have to check. Personal laptop is
Generally,
not
personal
current.
laptop, mostly like up to 32 or 40, not more than that. So we prefer to go with the remote desktop only. Just you can utilize the services. Okay.
Okay, for remote desktop, how much space is required, sir?
Simply like even 150 200 GB of hard disk, 4 GB of RAM also enough.
Okay, like I have left only with the 60 GB of space.
That's fine, no
So,
problem, no problem.
okay, for storing these videos which you are sending on daily basis, that also it's sufficient, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Rohila,
Yeah.
do we need to write each and every step as our self notes, or you're going to provide us the
I'm
written
going to
notes?
provide the document. Simply you can take the printout or you can save it in the laptop. I'm going to send, no need to worry. See, why I'm
Okay.
asking you to write down means it's like, one kind of practice.
Yeah. At the time of practicing self notes for self
Definitely it will be
sticking.
useful. While you are going for the interview, just you can go through your notes.
Correct.
Okay.
That short notes.
Anyhow, I'm going to send the detailed documents as well for the all processes. Okay. No need to worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Rohila, this is Nandish. I was not able to download yesterday's video. Or do you? I don't know about others. Have they able to download? Because I'm not able to download the video from.
See what we are planning actually. So after completion of these fees payments, I'm going to give it in a Google Drive. Okay. So you
Okay.
have to give your email IDs. Just have patience for 1 or 2 days. Since you could not able to download, right? So I will ask Madhuri to send again. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can
Hi,
you put
Rohila.
the Madhur's number in the chat, please?
Yeah, definitely. Just a minute. Yeah, any other questions?
Yeah, Rohila. So Chirag here.
Yeah.
My question is, we have this different storage types within EWM warehouse, let's say. Then why do we create different storage locations in the ECC, since it is not going to, directly impact the EWM bifurcation?
So in
We will anyhow.
In EWM, we define only storage type, not storage location. Storage type
Yeah,
is different. Storage location is different. Okay.
yeah,
S-
but
we don't define any storage location in EWM. We have only stock types and party handle dispose. Okay, owners. So that we are going to link to your plant and storage location. Okay. So in detail, we'll discuss in future classes. Okay, how we are going to connect.
No, but why we need four bifurcation even in storage location in ECC when we can already have that within EWM single warehouse? So let's say if we have one storage location, one plant, we define one warehouse EWM, and then we bifurcate this for
That's what,
AFS, ROD.
suppose business decided they don't want to put a whole stock in one store location. They want to segregate consumables in one place, available. See, sometimes you receive the product. You need to do some packing on the product. Finally, it is ready. Then only you are ready to sell this product to the customer. I assume like, I receive a bearings from a vendor. So I cannot directly sell the bearings to the customer. I had to do some greasing. I had to pack in the pouches. I had to pack that pouches again in the boxes. That boxes I'm going to pack it in the carton. I had to put some stickers of my company logo, pricing, everything. Then finally I'll make this product ready as available for sale. So till I do not complete this whole, value added services to the product, I cannot sell. So that's the reason how I are going to differentiate the packed condition product, unpacked loose quantity product. So I'm going to differentiate through
Logistic
store location like ROD
process
AFS.
is in it.
Okay. So to differentiate the storage
Thank you.
in your warehouse, you are going to go with the different store locations.
And then we can get it easily to understand the storage stock type also, right?
Yes.
So ROD
See,
is we can say is a F1 stock type and ASF is a F2 stock type.
so that's what
That will
it's
be
very early
easy.
to discuss. So we are going to discuss these things in a sequence. Okay. Once
Yeah.
we go there, you clearly understand what is F1, what is F2, what is store allocation, how we are mapped. Okay, those things you are going to learn.
Sure,
Okay.
Rohit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So no need to worry. I'm going to cover each and every topic in detail, crystal clear manner. Okay, in a minute level. Just have patience. That's it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Rohit, one small question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, after packing the goods into a carton, there is a label management concept, is there, right? Is it inbuilt or integrated with other
Label we are
technology?
going to print as a HU label printing. So that we are going to achieve through PPP actions. We'll see that in a 2 classes PPP actions, how to print the labels.
Okay, it's part of EWM only, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay, guys, please clear your features and get the server access. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.